Okay, Angela, here's test one with the microphone. This is the Sure of Something microphone, and pretty good coverage. Nice bass. All right, Angela, and this is the DJI dual lavalier. It's not as much bass, but still adequate coverage, and works. Goes a long way. So pretty good loudness. You can probably hear my voice in comparison to the thing, but I'll walk over here, no problem. Lots of range. I'm going to go in a big circle, walking around. So I think it should be pretty good. Yeah. And then if I click on the microphone as well, I get the double effect. Ooh. But anyway, we have three then. Gee, the thing shifted again on me, sorry. Anyway, stay still. My camera shifted. Okay, anyway, so we have dual lavalier and a mic, so we can have three people at once if we need to. So let me know what you think. Okay, take care.